Here's how to make money on Clickbank without a website and with free traffic as well. Plus, this will only take you about an hour of work per day. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So in today's video guys, we're going to talk about Clickbank and more precisely how to make money with Clickbank without a website and with free traffic as well. Now don't skip this video guys, because the free method that I'm going to show you, the free traffic more precisely, is something that really works if you apply it and you take action. But you need to watch the whole video to really fully grasp everything that I'm going to talk about in here. So usually when we're doing affiliate marketing, there's three things that you need to do. Okay, you need, number one is you need an offer to promote. Number two is you need a bridge page or a landing page. Usually those are like blogs or website or an opt-in page. And then number three is we need traffic, because obviously you need traffic in order to start making sales, right? But in this tutorial, we're going to skip number two, because as the title of this video says, making money with Clickbank without a website. So we will skip number two and we'll basically look for an offer to promote and then directly go to traffic. And I'm going to talk how to generate free traffic to start making sales with Clickbank. So to get started, step number one, obviously you need a Clickbank product to promote. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Clickbank and you want to browse through Clickbank and find a product that you can promote. Okay, if you don't have an account with Clickbank yet, you can simply create an account. It's very easy to create an account, it's not that hard. But once you've created an account, once you've logged in, simply go to the marketplace, which should look something like that. And then what will happen here is, just in case you're kind of new to Clickbank, on the left here you'll see a bunch of different niches that you can find products from. For example, you got like the cooking, food and wine niche, where you can find products such as, you know, drink and beverages, cooking, special diets and so on. You've got other niches such as the health and fitness niche, which is a hugely popular niche, where you have products such as diets and weight loss, nutrition, yoga and so on. So there's a bunch of different products you can find in here from those different niches. If you don't know which product to choose and you want to know what are the products that are selling very well at the moment, you can simply go to where it says find products, leave the search bar empty and simply click on search. And basically what's going to happen is Clickbank is going to show you a bunch of different products that are selling very well at the moment, and you can simply pick one of those products. For example, one of the things that you want to do first is you want to check a few things before you want to validate the products to promote before actually promoting them. And there are a few things that you want to look at. For example, you want to look how much money you would make on average per sale, because obviously you don't want to promote a product where you would only make like $5 or $10. You want to promote a product where you would make a decent amount of commission off of it. So usually look at this product here, Exipure. You would earn on average $146 per sale, which is pretty good. On this one, $116, $100, $149. So you want to look at how much money you would make on average per sale, because especially if you're going to do paid advertising, this is extremely important. Something you want to look at as well is the gravity score. Gravity score is basically a measure of how popular the product is amongst affiliate marketers. So the higher the gravity score, it means that the higher the number of affiliates making sales promoting this particular product, because then it means that the product is highly converting, which is a good thing. On the other hand, if the gravity is too high, maybe you don't want to go for it, because it can also mean that it is very competitive. If the gravity is too low, this might not be a good idea as well, because then it would mean that the product is not selling well at all. It is a low converting product. So ideally you want to pick a product that has a gravity score of, let's say, above 40 and up to maybe 300 or 400 at most. Okay, and then the third thing you want to look at is, does the product has an affiliate page? This is not super important, but it is kind of helpful. An affiliate page is basically a page that the seller has created for you, the affiliate, where he's providing you with a bunch of different resources that you can use to promote his product. So for example, he might be providing you like email swipes, banners, images, video templates, video testimonials. So he's providing you with a bunch of different resources that you can use to really increase the chances of you making sales promoting his particular product. Now, if this is not absolutely necessary, but if you can find a product that has an affiliate page, this will be obviously very, very helpful. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's say we went with a weight loss product. So there's another one, there's one here, Exipio, which is a very popular weight loss product. There's another one, let's see, Okinawa Flat Belly, which is also a very popular weight loss product. So we could basically just click on the promote button, and you will get your affiliate link that you can copy and then paste it to where you're going to promote the product from. And when people click on the affiliate link, you would get commission if they buy the product. So once you've picked a product, simply click on promote to have your affiliate link. So for example, let's just say for this product, we would click on the affiliate link and we would take our link to promote. Once you've picked a product, step number 2 now is to drive traffic. Now there's a ton of different ways to go about driving traffic for your affiliate offer, but the one that I want to talk about in this video is using YouTube. YouTube is one of the best traffic sources on the planet, and it's the second biggest website on the planet, and it's also more than just a video sharing website. It's also a search engine, which means that people go on YouTube to find solutions to their problem, and this is really the best kind of traffic that you want, because if people want to lose weight, they will go on YouTube and type how to lose weight, or they want to watch videos on how to lose weight. So if you can put your product in front of the right eyeballs, you could start making a bunch of sales with this. So one very efficient way you could go about building free YouTube traffic for your Clickbank offer is by doing something very similar to this website here, to this YouTube account, sorry. So Ways and How, they have 1.8 million subscribers, and basically what they do is they make those simple videos that contains stock footage, stock videos and stock photos, and they create really high quality videos out of those pictures and short videos. And as you can see, they've built a huge following on YouTube doing that, and their videos get a decent amount of views, as you can see, and you can see that they are still active. They are posting every few days. If we open one of their videos, you will see that this is how their videos look like. It's basically simple images and videos. Most of those are like stock footage of things related to the weight loss niche. As you can see, this channel is mostly about health. So they are basically using a tool that takes pictures and videos and stick them together, and then they get those high quality videos created out of it. And as you can see, they are not showing their face, and those videos, I can promise you, only takes a few minutes to create. And they've been building a huge following doing this. They generate over 54,000 views per day. And if we look at the description, you'll see that they have a link to their Amazon shop. So they are promoting either their own product on Amazon, or they are promoting other people's product on Amazon by doing affiliate marketing. But this is clearly working for them. As you can see, they are posting very, very regularly. So how are they doing videos like these? Okay, so basically what they're doing is they are using a special tool that will convert text into videos. And this is exactly what they are doing. Maybe they have like a text about a particular topic, and then they are putting that text into that online tool that I'm going to show you in a minute. And then that online tool will change that text into a video using stock footage, stock pictures, and videos. It's very easy. It only takes like a few minutes to create those videos once you have the text ready. And using this method, you could create a ton of videos very simply and very easily. So the tool that they are using, or maybe another tool that is very similar to the one that I'm going to show you, is a tool like this one, where you can find it is on invideo.io is the website you would go. And basically this is a tool that, as I've said, they will turn any pictures, any text into videos, very high quality videos. This is an online editing and creation tool for videos. You can create intros and logo reveals, video ads. You can create slideshows, business presentations, video collages, webinar promos. So anything related to videos you can create using this online tool. So how can you get started with this free method? So what you want to do is, once you've picked a niche that you want to create your YouTube content around, so that you want to promote your Clickbank offer. So what you want to do is, once you pick a niche, you want to go and find what are the particular keywords that people are typing in on YouTube, because those are the keywords you're going to go for. You're going to create content around those keywords. So for example, let's just say you are doing something in the weight loss niche, because this is what we're doing in this video. So let's say you're going to promote a weight loss product and you want to create a YouTube channel similar to what I just showed you around the weight loss niche. Then what you would do is you could go on YouTube and basically type how to lose weight. And this is one bunch of keywords that you could target, or you could simply go how to lose weight and see what shows up. And as you can see, YouTube is showing us a bunch of other keywords that people are searching for on YouTube. How to lose weight fast for teenagers, how to lose weight fast exercise at home without exercise in one day, and a workout, how to lose weight fast men, how to lose weight fast in 2 weeks. So those are different keywords that you can create YouTube videos around. So this is just an example, or you could write how to lose, let's say, fat. And you can see how to lose fat and gain muscle, how to lose fat fast, how to lose fat on your face, how to lose fat at home. So there's so many keywords that you can go for if you go for the weight loss niche, for example. And this will work in any niche as well, whether it's the dog niche, the fishing niche, the whatever affiliate marketing niche that you can go for and promote products. You can go on YouTube and find a bunch of different keywords to target using this particular method. So number one is to find what are people searching for on YouTube. Number two now is to find content around those keywords. One way you can go about doing this is you could simply go on Google and simply type, how to lose weight fast, if that's your niche. And basically you would find a bunch of articles in here that is around this particular keyword that you are researching. You won't find any trouble finding good quality articles about that particular piece of content that you are looking for. And then number three, obviously you won't have a new piece of content around this particular keyword that you are going for. Okay, you don't want to just take other people's content and then put it in the tool to create your video, because this would be copyright infringement. So what you want to do is you want to go through some of those articles and then rewrite one brand new article yourself. If you don't want to rewrite it, you could use like an article rewriter software, or you could outsource it. But basically you want to see what other people are writing, what are the top articles in that for that particular keyword or for those particular keywords, and then you want to have a brand new article that you're going to use to create your videos from. And then number four, once you have your article, is to upload this article into your online tool that I showed you, and you would create your videos out of it. Okay, you would simply go to invideo.io, simply click on text to video, and then select which size you want. So since this is for YouTube, you will click on the wide dimension, and then you would select a particular template that you want to work on. For example, one template I like to use is this one here. Simply click on this, and you would click on use this template, and then you would be brought to this particular page here, where you will be asked to add a headline, and then after that you will be asked to add your whole text that will be converted into a video. Now I'm not going to go into detail on how to do this in this video. However, I have another video where I went into more detail on how to do this. I'm going to leave a link below, or that video will pop up somewhere around here when this video ends, which is going to happen very soon. So don't skip that video and click on that video to go and watch how to do this whole thing into more detail. Using this method, you could easily create like 2 to 3 videos a day. Now, the most time consuming part of this method is maybe having a brand new article written. But if you can do this very quickly, or maybe if you can outsource it, everything else is very easy. Creating those videos with this software will only take you like 5-10 minutes at most. Because you might have to change a few things inside of it, which is go and watch the video that I've uploaded about this, where I go in more detail. But if you do this method, you could really create like 2 to 3 videos a day by doing this. Now, if you want to succeed with this, you need to be very consistent. Okay, posting one video every week is not going to work. Even maybe one video every few days is still not going to be enough. You will need to post at least one video per day in order to really see results with this. So try to be consistent and really post every single day as much as you can. There you go guys, I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It would really help me out. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe as well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.